A group of laws is a code. A group of information is data. A group of listeners is an assembly. A group of students is a class. A group of actors is a cast. A group of teachers is a staff. A group of judges is a panel. A group of singers is a choir. A group of flowers is a bouquet. A group of pictures is a gallery. How many did you get correct? The hands are calloused. The skin is flaky. The lips are chapped. The fingers are pruny. The heels are cracked. Her hair is messy. His face is sweaty. Her eyes are watery.
Lady, finger, ladyfinger. Cow, boy, cowboy. Meat, bowl, meatball. Bag, pack, backpack. Key, chain, keychain. Hot dog, hot dog. Learn app. Learn is an app where you can learn languages with your friends. Try learning at least 5 words a day. Give it a go and let me know what you think in the comments.
Look at me. Wait for me. Talk to me. Agree with me. Learn with me. Follow me. This is a cable car, aerial tramway. This is a gondola. This is an inclined railway. This is a monorail. This is a people mover. This is a moving walkway. This is a sky train. This is a light rail. This is a shuttle. 5 movies you can learn English from. Intermediate level, B1, B2. Harry Potter, all movies. Clear British English, good vocabulary growth. The Pursuit of Happiness. Realistic daily conversations. The Devil Wears Prada. Modern workplace English. Notting Hill. Excellent British accents plus romance vocabulary. The Intern. Polite modern American English. Just a small tip, you can pause and repeat short lines out loud. Let me know if you watched any of those movies.